In this video, I will show you how to enable fast charging on Android phone. So the first thing that you need to do is go to settings. If you scroll down below, you will find battery. Click on battery. Then scroll down some more. Here you will find battery settings, and among the list you will find charging settings. My phone comes with inbuilt fast charging feature, so it is not present here. But in your phone you will find charging settings. Click on it. Once you click on it, there you will see a button called fast charging. Enable it. And you might also find a button called fast wireless charging. Enable that too. And that's it. That is how you can enable fast charging on an Android phone. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.